Hello, Professor. We are Gustavo and Ricardo, and this is our final presentation for the blockchain discipline. So let's get started. Project motivation. Why did we want to make this project? Well, we like games. Blockchain games are booming right now. We have a lot of popular games like X Infinity, Dragonary, CryptoKitties, Decentraland, and ranked competitive games are also very popular. But there's not much of an intersection between ranked competitive games and uh, blockchain crypto blockchain games. So what we wanted to do, we wanted to make a matchmaking system so we can have ranked matchmaking in the blockchain. Our initial proposal was that, but eventually we decided to change it because doing the whole matchmaking process on the blockchain would have been very expensive, and it would have been also too complex to make in the given project time. What we eventually settled for was just the rating system. So we have a generic rating system that you can use for any game, and it can be on chain, off chain, or it could even be a mix.
Yeah. The nature of the on-chain or off-chain, or if the mix, um, that's why we needed to make the system more extensible. So we could choose, we could play in anywhere, and we would like to use any rating formula. So we could use ELO, Glyco, Glyco2, or even proprietary ones. And even for off-chain games, a blockchain ranking system is still really interesting. It's resistant to tampering, so it's more reliable in case you want to make invite-only events based on ranking, and it gives you better bragging rights. Um, Besides that, we've created tests with Truffle Suite to verify the functionality. So we have a game library with signatures for extensibility. So any off-chain game could use just signatures to check if it's alright. And we have the game contract testing to check if it's working okay. And we have ELO rating testing to check if it's emitting the right events and updating the ratings. Our contract structure um, is the it's this way. We have our rating system, which is an abstract class, and we can have any other rating system extending it, like ELO, Glyco, Glyco2, etc. And in our case, we decided to implement ELO rating, which you can call in your game contract.
So for our demonstration, we decided to implement blockchain ranked competitive TicTacToe. So we found a TicTacToe smart contract on GitHub. We're going to put the link in the description to give due credit. And that's what we're going to play today to show how the contract works. We originally also wanted to make a front end, but we couldn't get it done in time. We had a lot of complications. So we're just going to play using Remix for this presentation. So now we're going to play a tic-tac-toe match, and we're going to see our ELO rating updated in the blockchain.
Okay,
So let's do it.
yep. So first of all, we have our contract here, and we have deployed these contracts. We have the TicTacToe and we have the ELA rating. They are both linked the right way. And okay, so we need first to create a match. Um, Anybody could do this, but we're gonna do here on TicTacToe. So this is an on-chain game, so that's why we need to do it here. We used signatures for to create a game. So there is the match struct where we have the player A, the player B, and a where both players can can play multiple times and the state of the matches aren't mixed up. So here we have to create a new game, we need first the match. I've already separated here. We have both my address and Ricardo's address and a nonce that we used 3. We have the signature that I've already signed it in here, and we have Ricardo's signature, and we can transact. It's gonna open the MetaMask here where I can confirm, and just a sec. Yep, transaction 6 confirmed. Here we have. So here we can get
Okay.
um, our our game ID. We have already this game ID. It's here, and I'm the player 1, so I need to start playing. And we have a function called make movie, make move. So we need to use our game ID here and use coordinates X and Y. And we have a paint here where we have our dark mode TicTacToe on Ethereum. And this is to facilitate where we need to put our our moves. So I'm gonna start here. We have 1-1.
We can just imagine it's like a really good front end.
This is a really good front end. So yeah, transact. Um, I need to confirm the transaction here, and it's confirmed. Now we have
Okay.
X here. Now Ricardo is gonna run his transaction on his side, and we can wait for the blockchain
Okay.
event here.
I'm going to make a move then. The game ID. Let me look at the board. Where can I put mine? I'm going to go with 0, 0, and transact. So I'm going to confirm my transaction, and there you go. I made my move.
Okay, we're gonna wait for Ricardo's move because we are listening to the network. And here it is. We have a move on 0-0. Okay, so I'm gonna make my move right now. Um, Let me check. Probably gonna use this one, 2 and 0. Transact, confirm, waiting to be confirmed, and that's it. It's 2-0. Your turn.
Okay. Now, since I'm a very, very good player, I'm going to go with an unorthodox strategy, and I'm going to go with 0-1 because I think that will confuse my adversary, and maybe I'll win this way. Okay. You should see my transaction anytime now.
hmm Waiting for it. And that's it. We have his transaction. It's on 0-1, so it's here. So I'm gonna put here on 0-2 so I can win, and we can see our ELO rating updating. So
Oh
zero
no,
two,
my strategy didn't work.
0-2 transact, pending the make move, confirm, and it's confirmed. So here we can see that there's a lot of stuff happening here. So we have elo change, elo update, elo update. So our elos are now updated. So let me win this game real quick. And we can say that um, if I if I get uh, my address here, we can go to the elo rating system, the elo rating contract, and we can get the player rating where I have now 10 more elos. And I think we can get Ricardo's address here, and we can see that he lost 10, 10 points. And I think that's it. If we play again,
I'll get you next time.
we could update, and it's just gonna use elo rating system. So I'll probably gonna, if I win again, I'll probably gonna win less points than this time, and he probably
You'll
gonna
get
use.
diminishing returns.
Yeah, so the bigger the difference between us, the less the returns, and if he wins against me, he probably gonna win a lot of points. So that's how elo rating works, and that's our final presentation.
We are still going to make a front end for this project, so stay tuned for that.
That's
Uh,
it.
that's it, I think.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, bye.
bye bye.